Health officials in California have confirmed a rare case of the plague in a South Lake Tahoe resident. The individual became infected after likely being bitten by a flea while camping in the area. Plague, once infamous for devastating pandemics in history, still lingers in rural regions of the United States. Local authorities emphasize that while such cases are extremely uncommon, precautions are essential. They recommend using insect repellents, keeping distance from wild rodents, and reporting unusual animal deaths to health services. This incident is a stark reminder that ancient diseases can still appear in modern times. Stay informed and subscribe for more updates from Now and Noted Now.